Hi, welcome back to my channel. I creating chibi base body. I rework on my unfinished Frieren model. This is why you can see Fiorena's eyes here, forming human ears to elf ears. Create clothes. I'm not super familiar with all the advanced tools in ZBrush, so I often rely on the extract function to make clothes. I sometimes grab existing objects for blocky or structural details. It really helps speed things up. Now I creating hair. I use IMM curve to lay out the hair strands, then sculpt them with the move brush. It's a bit like shaping real clay. If you love my works, please support me by like the video and subscribe my channel to see more character turn to chibi model. Now that all the parts are done, it's detail time. Refining the model by sculpting clothing folds and adding more defined shapes to the hair. The modeling phase is complete. Now I'm preparing it for 3D printing. For easier 3D printing and painting, I typically split the model into separate parts, usually based on color zone. Always wear gloves and mask when working with liquid resin. Spraying 90% alcohol on the tray to clean off leftover resin. Remove printed parts from tray. Take the parts off the printer support. Dip it into the alcohol washer to remove all remaining liquid resin. Harden them under UV/LED light. Now I'm going to smooth the surface of the parts using sanding paper. Now I'm applying a layer of primer so the paint will stick better. Okay, time to paint. I don't use the airbrush that much, so I might fumble a bit. Some details need to be painted by hand with a brush. Painting the eyes now. It's the most important part to me. A figure really comes to life when the eyes have emotion. I'm adding a soft blush with pastel, so her face looks like it's gently flushed from the cold. Now I'm going to assemble all the parts together. Which character should I turn into a chibi next? Drop your suggestions in the comments.